The graph below is the function f of x. Find the limit as x approaches -2 from the left, from the right, and make a determination about the limit itself. So I know this is telling me to find the limit from the left and the limit from the right because of these negatives and positives that are superscripted onto the limit value. And the limit value being -2, I'm just going to indicate that to myself with a vertical line at -2. Because ultimately the limit from the left, I determine that by looking at values that approach -2 that are smaller, but getting closer to -2, and then I look at values in the y to see what's happening with those. In this particular case, the y values are going down to -infinity. So that's the value of the limit from the left. From the right-hand side, values that are bigger than -2 but getting closer to -2, when I observe the function in the y, these values are getting larger and larger without bound, so they're going to positive infinity. Now, to make a determination about the limit itself at -2, that's when I compare these two values. Since these two values are not equal to one another, that's when we say the limit itself does not exist. Sometimes you can have a limit that is equal to infinity or negative infinity, but both the limit from the left and the limit from the right need to agree with one another. What is the value of f of -2? Well, f of -2 is where the function is defined, not what it's approaching. So it is defined at this particular point here, which is -2 and then +3. So the y value there is +3, and that's the value of f of -2.